Once upon a time, there were three very different little girls who grew up to be three very different women. But they have three things in common. They're brilliant, they're beautiful, and they work for me. My name is Charlie.
Hello?
Good morning, angels.
Good morning, Charlie.
I have a new mission for you. The mad scientist and infamous sociopath Dr. Vladimir van der Schaaf has an evil plan to destroy the world. He was a chemistry major in college and always uses his profound knowledge of chem to create mayhem in the world. We know he has a bomb that will blow us all up, but we don't know what his latest secret lair is. We must use our knowledge of chemistry provided by Miss Powell and Mr. Bruner's classes in high school to solve clues that will lead you to Dr. Vladimir van der Schaaf.
Okay, we're on it, Charlie.
Good luck, angels.
Thanks, Charlie.
Charlie said we needed to break into Dr. Vlad's computer in order to find the location of his secret lair. Look, there's two usernames, Dr. Vlad and that really attractive girl Jessica Choi. I don't think, even though she's really attractive, getting on her username will help us much. Let's try to get on Dr. Vlad's. Oh no, a password. How will we figure it out?
Oh look, there's a password hint.
Shocking.
Okay. Let's see, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 carbons in the longest chain.
How did you know those were carbons?
Because it's obviously an OChem diagram.
Oh, continue.
Let's see, on the 1, 2, 3, 4th one, there's a propyl because there's 3 carbons attached to it. And look, there's another one on the 5th carbon. So, the password must be 4,5-dipropyl octane.
Alright, let's make sure we get the format of this right, or Miss Powell will be really disappointed, and the password would be wrong. 4, 5, dash, di, with an I, not a Y-E, propyl, and then octane. Yeah.
Yay, we got on!
I don't understand. How will we find the location of his evil lairs?
I know, what good does it do if we logged in? There's nothing on the screen that tells us where it is.
This is more stressful than stoichiometry.
What the heck?
Nah.
You got it. It's right there.
Oh.
Awkward.
Hey, that address looks familiar.
Oh yeah, that's the address to Gunn High School. You remember where we got A+ on our chemistry project a long time ago?
Oh yeah, it is.
We out.
Hey, look, this is 780 Raspadero Road. This must be the secret lair. And look, the lock is made of salt.
What a coincidence. I have this trusty water bottle that I always carry with me in a case of an emergency. And guess what? Salt is soluble in water. Why? Well, water is polar, so it can attract the positive and negative ions in salt, pulling them apart, making it dissolve. Oh my god, it's dissolving. But wait, it takes a while. Okay, it appears now that the salt block has been dissolved and we can enter. Look, it's Dr. Vlad's evil setup. But before we do anything, we have to put on our lab safety goggles.
What a smart idea.
They put awkward lines on your face, so I hope you don't have lunch or brunch after you do the lab. What do we have here? A burette? A ring stand? And what's this? This is his acid that he's going to use to blow up the world.
Oh no.
It's 0.150 moles per liter of HCl. And this is the base we need to use to neutralize it. I wonder why he keeps them so close to each other. He's not very intelligent. But anyways, KOH, and it's 0.100 moles per liter. Alright, we have the acid under the burette, just like we need. Now we need to figure out how much base to use. Any thoughts, Dylan?
Well, since there's almost 100 milliliters of acid in here, we need to add 0.0015 liters, or 15 milliliters of potassium hydroxide, to neutralize it.
How'd you know that?
Well, according to my calculations, the molarity of the acid times the volume of the acid needs to equal the molarity of the base times the volume of the base, which gives you 0.0015 liters, or 15 milliliters.
How'd you convert from liters to milliliters so fast?
Well, 1,000 milliliters equals 1 liter. So you just convert it using simple multiplication.
Wow, you just added the perfect amount of base. Now watch as it slowly drips into the acid. Or quickly. Yes, we saved the world. Now that our lab is over, I'll take off my safety goggles. Oh, so liberating. Wait a second. That HCl wouldn't have blown up the world. The blast radius would have been so small, it would have only destroyed Vlad's own layer. I guess he didn't pay as much attention in chemistry as we thought. Too bad he didn't have Miss Powell. Angels, I've been waiting for you all day. But where's the third one?
She went to the bathroom.
Yeah. I apologize for my attire. I had a wild Saturday night. You know how gun functions are. But anyways, how did you find my secret lair?
It really wasn't that hard, actually. Yeah, your password's really not that hard. You might want to work on that one.
Not that hard. Well, anyways, I won't be going down without a fight.
Dr. Vladimir is defeated! Yeah! Oh, look!
Hey guys, I'm back from the bathroom. Did I miss anything?
Yeah,
We
just defeated Dr. Vladimir.
What else?
Well then, time for our pose!
Once upon a time, there were three very different little girls who grew up to be three very different women, but they have three things in common. They're brilliant, they're beautiful, and they work for me. My name is Charlie. Miss Powell and Mr. Bruner's classes in high school to solve clues that will lead you to Dr. Vladimir van der Schaaf.
Okay. We're out at Charlie.
Good luck, angels.
That was wretched.
So
Wait,
bad.
how did you find my secret lair?
Well, actually it wasn't that hard, but, You just looked on your computer. You need to get that... Beep!
But I don't think there's shit in this video. Ladies, I have been waiting for you. Where's your other little friend?
She went to the bathroom real quick.
Oh, she went to the bathroom. No! No!
Dr. Vladimir is defeated!
I'm back from the bathroom! I had to pee in the bath. I had like 4 Red Bulls today.
Well, now that the world is saved,
Let's do our signature pose. Okay, I'm with you. Okay. Wait, we'll do that, and then I'll die, and then I'll whip this stuff off, crawl over there, and then jump up. Okay. Alrighty, guys. Let's try that again. Let's see. There's 2 usernames: Dr. Vlad and that girl Jessica Choi. Although incredibly attractive, I don't think her username will help us very much. Die. Pro. Pull. Now we need a space. Aw, no space. Live. Space.
no space.
Octane. On accident, but I got it this time. Ready? Ready? Oh look, it's Dr. Vlad's evil setup. But before we do anything, put on your lab safety goggles.
Smart idea.
They put awkward lines on your face, so you hope you don't have brunch or lunch after class.
But we do have lunch after this. How awkward.
Oh, we have lunch in high school. Come on. Oh look, it's Dr. Vlad's. Oh, I already.